Hi there, my name is David. Welcome to my channel. Today what we're going to do is create some napkins that I'm doing. And I just went down to the West End to just have a look and see what was going on for the Christmas period. And it was really interesting. And I came across this table setting, and I thought it would be nice just to do my own table setting. And I thought I'd make some napkins and just enjoy the Christmas. So let's see how we can make the napkins and how it works. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some napkins for the Christmas table. So in doing the Christmas napkins, I did some research and I had a look to see the different sizes of napkins, and it was very interesting about the American sizes versus the British sizes. And I'll be following the British size of the napkins, but it was just very interesting, like the formal dinner napkins are 51 or up to 56 centimeters squared, and for buffet it's 56 to 69 centimeters squared, which was really very interesting that I found. What we're going to be doing is the British size, which is 50 by 50 centimeters. I've made them slightly bigger by about 2 centimeters, and the reason I've done that is just to compensate for seam allowances that I wanted to do. Although I've got a 1 centimeter seam allowance, if I need a little bit of extra of the seam allowance, I will do so. So that's basically what I found, and it's really interesting. So basically I've done a pattern and I've cut out the fabric. So now I'm going to start sewing this napkin pattern. So let's see what it looks like. Basically what I've done here is I've done some stay stitching on these napkins that I'm making, and basically I'm just stay stitching it temporarily. The reason why I've done the stay stitching in particular is because the fabric is very slippery. So when I am sewing it, it might move around a lot. So by doing the stay stitching, it's actually a tip, especially when you've got difficult fabrics or even some thicker fabrics that are extremely smooth. As you can see, when I do the stitching, it'll be on this metallic side, and that's what's going to cause it to move around a bit. So this is basically what I've done, and this is how it'll be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually sew it, and I'm just going to finish these napkins off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do what's called a bishop's hat or bishop's crown. This is what I'm going to do for the table setting. So I just thought I would do this extra as part of the sewing video just to show you what I'm doing. So basically this is how it gets done. Basically you fold it in half like so, and then you tip off the corners to make an angle. This to do it on one side, and then you bring the top side down to that side. And basically what you do is, this is where you can just adjust it as you see fit. Then you turn it over. Then you pull it down in half. Then you let this bit go up. So, checking your angles. And then you push this. You can push this like so. Bring it right in. To the top. Turn it over. And tuck this on the side. And that's your bishop's hat or bishop's crown. This is how it works. And you pull it open, and that's what it looks like. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the tables, and that's why I've made these napkins. So as you can see, they're very good. So I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll be doing the next project soon.